2023 I travelled right round the world, and it started and finished here in London. It's Christmas season. Let's take a walk around some of the Christmas sites while we talk about how that trip actually ended. Let's go. I'm Claire, I'm out here in London and I'm standing outside the world famous Fortnum & Mason, caterer to the royal family, where most of us can't afford anything, but the advent calendar display they put on every year, stunning. 2023 I left home with a group trip to South Africa, a one-way ticket to Bangkok, and I had no idea how incredible that trip would turn out. 7 weeks later, I finished up back here in London after the most magical last night of my Disney life. Check out what happened here. Would you like to tell us what you're working on currently?
What I'm working on, my spring fashion collection.
Fabulous.
Yes, fabulous, darling. Has nothing to do with spots, I never wear them.
Okay, we are back at the plaza, and if you're wondering why on earth am I eating at the same place twice? Well, today I am doing the parade package meal. This is what you get. It's a set meal: chicken, beef, vegetables, mashed potatoes, a soft drink. This is the dessert, and it's a white chocolate and berry coulis tart. How pretty is that? The phone is not doing it justice, but it sparkles. I think it's gorgeous. So step one of this magical night complete. Reserved spot for the parade Magic Happens, which was coming back that day. And then I went over to see one of my favourite things, which is a Lion King show. I've been so lucky to see them across Disneyland Paris, Disney World, and now Disneyland. All magic. I love that music. And then I took my reserved spot in Town Square, where magical things happened even before the parade started. And the parade is just step one of 4 amazing things that happened this night. Just wait and see. to be here for the debut of Magic Happens after 3 years. It got 2 months to run and then COVID shut it down, if you can believe it. I'm leaving Disneyland now and I'm crossing to DCA California Adventure. Back we go, because now it's time for the World of Colour dessert party. Now, this video was on my channel from my September trip, but for the 100th anniversary, there is a brand new World of Colour show. So, gotta see it again. Gosh darn it, I am upset. All right, here we go. Our second show tonight. World of Colour is Disney California Adventures nighttime spectacular. So we're up to number 2 out of 4. It's everything I love most. It's music and lasers and colourful fountains, and even Walt Disney is in there. And with the dessert party, well, you get prime seating. I was really going for it. I just couldn't believe that I was lucky enough to be there at all. Disney hadn't been in my plans.
100 years ago, Walt Disney set ripples of happiness and imagination in motion.
I see nothing wrong with combining Christmas and travel. Just saying. Burlington Arcade behind me right there. We turn our attention, we're on Burlington Gardens, onto Bond Street now. Now we're talking Christmas money. Display we saw was Cartier putting on their Christmas best for London. What a treat to catch it as we went round the corner. It's one night. You've got the parade, you've got World of Colour in Disney California Adventure. We then have the fireworks in Disneyland, followed by Fantasmic. These 4 should not work on timing, and on my very last night of my world tour, magic literally happened. Welcome back to Disneyland for part 2 of my most magical night ever. Walking across, I was trying to see Fantasmic and realised I was actually gonna get to see some of these fireworks as well. And it didn't matter at all that I wasn't by the castle, because as you can see there are projections down Main Street. Magic, magic everywhere.
Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life?
And so we come to the end of this chapter.
Oh no, please, can't we go back to page 1 and do it all over again?
And now we come to show number 4, Fantasmic. By rights, I never should have seen this, but it was delayed due to rain, and I got prime spot to see my favourite Disney show of all time. Go for it, Mickey.
Even dogs have better manners. And all the powers of my imagination! You may think you're so powerful. Mom, this is my dream. Some imagination, huh?
So here I am on Oxford Street, which is the famous main shopping centre here in London. It has its own famous display. HMV recently reopened, and behind me, well, it's the Disney store. It's actually the last Disney store in the UK. And do I need anything? No. Do I want to check it out? Of course I do! Okay, quick Disney shop tour. Now, as sad as I was for the trip to be over, there's always time for that last little bit of Disney magic. And I thought I'd go say thanks to a couple of my furry friends. Hey, how you doing? You guys are having a good time. Listen, so I've been travelling around the world. Today's my last day. I fly back to London tonight. 45 days, okay? Right around the world. And I thought I'd come here because I heard you guys are celebrating something to finish. I know, it's a lot. It's more fingers and webs and it's a lot. It's a lot. But you guys are celebrating something special, right? Just you. Number one. You. Okay, well I can see here, Pluto says 100. 100. Did something happen 100 years ago, guys? Did something important happen?
What was it, boys?
No.
Well, what about
You're
Mickey?
standing here right now, you know? It's a big deal. But yeah, so I thought I'd come to Disney 100 celebration to finish my world tour. And thank you so much for making the end of this so very, very special.
Aww.
Yeah, it was all you guys.
A celebration.
Can I have a hug before I go? It's been a long journey.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Pluto. Thank you, Donald, for being so amazing. Making me laugh for so long. Thank you.
Thank you, boys.
So I set out on a world adventure, trying not to do Disney, in fact something other than Disney, and of course I finished it at Disney, but I can't think of a better way to finish my world tour with all the magic. Well, this is a new one on me, but just off Oxford Street is St Christopher Place. I didn't even know it existed, but it is decorated beautifully for Christmas. Now, if you think this is colourful, we're about to go somewhere that is triply, quadruply colourful, and it's one of my favourite Christmas displays. This one is my favourite by far. Carnaby Street never disappoints. I've seen some themes over the years, but Carnaby Universe is this year's theme, and the video doesn't do it justice because the colours are so vivid and bright and neon. I love this one, love it. Made it to our final stop, Covent Garden, and the piazza in there, and they always put on a special show. I've said that a lot actually, but Christmas in London is next level, and we're going to take a look inside. So what happened in 2023 after that trip? Well, a lot more travel, which I'm sad to say you haven't seen yet. This year, personally, was a little bit of a tough one. Physically, I had different diagnoses. Mentally, well, I learned about my ADHD. And sometimes the pressure we put on ourselves, well, it kind of cripples us. So I wanted to make you the best videos I possibly could. And sometimes I felt like mine might not be good enough for you. And then you get the block. But that means in 2024, I have so much to share. 12 other countries, I'm not joking. 3 cruises and a partridge in a pear tree. And that's me signing off. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas, the happiest New Year, and we will travel together in 2024. Lots of love. Goodbye.